Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Xpeng Motors, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Begin by conducting thorough research on Xpeng Motors. Understand the company's background, including its mission and what sets it apart in the electric vehicle market.
Familiarize yourself with Xpeng's financial health by reviewing their annual reports and earnings calls.
Determine your investment goals.
Decide if you are looking for short-term gains or long-term growth.
Set a budget for your investment. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your needs.
Ensure the platform allows you to trade US-listed foreign stocks if you are located in the US.
Create an account with your selected brokerage. Complete the necessary verification processes and fund your account. Search for Xpeng Motors stock symbol, which is XPEV.
Review the latest market trends and stock performance. Consider using technical analysis tools to evaluate price movements.
Place your order for Xpeng Motors shares.
Decide if you want to purchase at market price or set a limit order.
Monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on news and developments regarding Xpeng Motors and the electric vehicle industry.
Evaluate your investment strategy periodically, making adjustments as needed.
Keep track of your investment portfolio's performance over time. Consult with a financial advisor if you have questions or need guidance.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.